Welcome back to KiraStyle Garden. Have you ever accidentally broken a favorite plate and felt heartbroken throwing it away? Don't toss those pieces just yet. Today, we are transforming shattered china into breathtaking mosaic garden art. Get ready to add a magical, handcrafted touch to your outdoor sanctuary using simple upcycled materials. Let's get started. Welcome to our garden. Look at this beautiful mosaic suncatcher sphere resting gracefully on its stone pedestal. We crafted this using upcycled broken ceramic plates. Notice how the bright blue, green, yellow, and red pieces form intricate floral patterns. The smooth grout lines contrast perfectly with the glossy ceramic. As the golden hour sunlight hits it, the sphere catches the light brilliantly, scattering dazzling reflections all over our quiet, luxurious backyard garden filled with daisies. Take a seat and admire this stunning ceramic-inlay garden bench. We transformed a weathered wooden backrest by adding an intricate mosaic tapestry made entirely from antique plate fragments. It features a lovely botanical scene with detailed vines and leaves. The glossy pieces sit completely flush within the smooth grout. Sitting here in our stylish cottage garden surrounded by lavender, you can really appreciate how the salvaged ceramics shine under the bright daylight, showcasing fine, artistic detail. Time seems to stand still when looking at this large mosaic-bordered wall clock mounted on our wooden post. We decorated the circular frame meticulously using vibrant ceramic plate shards arranged in a beautiful spectrum of blues, oranges, and greens. Elegant metal hands display the afternoon time perfectly. The porcelain glazes sparkle brilliantly under the natural daylight, creating a stunning focal point right in the middle of our beautifully manicured green lawn and blooming flower beds. Here is a truly unique addition to our mature oak tree. We created a shard-adorned tree wrap using flexible mesh panels covered in a vibrant mosaic of broken porcelain pieces. These beautiful floral and geometric designs are wrapped carefully around the rough bark. The glossy ceramic fragments catch the dappled sunlight filtering through the green canopy above perfectly. It creates a glittering, textured belt that contrasts amazingly well with the natural dark wood of the tree. Let us gather around this gorgeous, upcycled mosaic tabletop resting on a classic wrought iron bistro table. We constructed this masterpiece from thousands of small, glossy shards of broken ceramic dinnerware. The tabletop features a vibrant mandala pattern radiating in beautiful azure, coral, turquoise, and yellow colors. We set the pieces perfectly smooth in gray grout. Now, the natural daylight reflects sharply off the glazed surfaces, greatly enhancing our outdoor dining space right next to the flowers. Standing tall among the lush greenery is our magnificent mosaic garden totem. We built this architectural structure from stacked geometric concrete blocks. We meticulously covered each face in distinct mosaic patterns using carefully chosen shards of vintage china in deep reds, earthy greens, bright blues, and cream. Bathed in warm daylight, the reflective, textured glazes of the ceramic pieces arranged in abstract motifs really bring a creative energy to our quiet, luxurious home backyard garden space. Look up and watch these delicate hanging mosaic butterfly silhouettes gently swaying in the soft breeze. We cut the sturdy wood shapes ourselves and adorned the wings with ceramic shards from classic blue and white willow pattern plates, accented perfectly with bright yellow fragments. Hanging gracefully from a decorative archway, the glossy glazes glint and sparkle as they turn in the warm sunlight. They cast small, shimmering reflections all around our stylish and serene cottage garden. Greet your guests with this inviting mosaic welcome gate sign attached to a rustic wooden plank. We spelled out a welcoming message using tiny, vibrant red, green, and blue ceramic plate shards set beautifully against a background of cream-colored porcelain fragments. The highly detailed mosaic work highlights the fine patterns of the original china. You can see how the glossy glazes pop brightly against the natural wood background, making a wonderful first impression in the garden. We transformed a simple boundary by adding these ceramic-inlay fence medallions mounted along our classic wooden fence line. We heavily decorated these circular discs with radiating sunburst and floral mosaic patterns made from broken plate pieces. You will notice vibrant shades of turquoise, orange, purple, and yellow. The glossy surfaces reflect the bright daylight beautifully, creating brilliant highlights and adding a tremendous amount of artistic flair to the perimeter of our very clean backyard garden. Take a walk up these extraordinary mosaic-faced garden steps leading up a subtle incline. We completely covered the vertical risers of the weathered stone stairs in intricate mosaics made from broken ceramic plates. Each step features a completely unique tapestry of glossy shards in lovely hues of emerald, royal blue, yellow, and red. They depict beautiful stylized vines. The highly reflective surfaces catch the sunlight perfectly, providing a hidden pop of beauty as you walk up. Right at the edge of the path stands this decorative mosaic mailbox post standing elegantly under a rustic metal mailbox. We completely clad the square wooden post in a vibrant mosaic tapestry constructed from broken ceramic pieces. It features countless patterns and vivid colors like cobalt blue, crimson, green, and gold depicting climbing vines. The highly detailed, glossy surface gleams beautifully under the bright daylight, adding a luxurious touch to the entrance of our home. finally, we have this delicate mosaic hummingbird swing hanging gracefully from a sturdy tree branch. We meticulously decorated the small, crescent-shaped wooden swing base with mosaic pieces from vintage plates. You can see beautiful iridescent greens, bright blues, and purples that simulate delicate feathers and flowers. The glossy porcelain shards glitter intensely in the filtered daylight. It creates a truly magical and peaceful spot for visiting birds right above our beautifully manicured green lawn and daisies. And there you have it, 12 stunning ways to breathe new life into broken plates. From sun catchers to mosaic-faced steps, these upcycled creations prove that shattered pieces can become the crown jewels of your landscape. If you enjoyed this colorful transformation, please give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite idea, and subscribe to KiraStyle Garden for more outdoor inspiration.